Hello guys! In this video, we will talk about how we can easily edit a t-shirt in Blender and use this as like our design. Our most of the asset is ready to render, so you don't need to worry and you don't need to work so much. So here you can see our camera and also everything is ready for the render. So you just need to click the render button and this will automate the render for you. Wow, our render is ready. So from here, you can change the light a little bit. Also, if you like this, you can continue on this. So let's talk about how we can easily use our own design here. So for this, you need to go to the shading option. Now, I will go in our Photoshop file. So here is the map. From here, you can change color, do mapping, and add your texture, and all artwork. So I will change the color. I will pick this one. And from here, you can change also the stitch color. Like you can see. So pick this one and make this a little bit dark. So now I will just save this one as a PNG file. So here is the file. So I just need to drag and drop in shading. I just get this one. And I'll connect this one with this color. So here you can see the result. So you can change the roughness from here if you like more rough, less rough, as like you want. So everything is ready for you. You just need to click the render. And here is the result for you. Just wait. Wow, just boom. You can see the result. So, let's use this as a custom pattern for fabric. Same here, I will go to the shading. For example, I will take this fabric as like pattern. So I just need to drag and drop in new copy here. And I need to make this as a pattern. So if this is not on, we can on this from Windows and click this one. So this will be open. So click this one. I'll add this as a pattern. I already added just for you. I'm adding again. Go to this option and pattern overlay. You can get this in here in new portion. So from this here, you can change the scale. I will do this. Okay. This one look good for me. You can change as you like. So here is the level. Here. If the other asset have the level, you can also change. If there is no level, you can change. So I will just add a white portion here. We block this one. And I'll just take a level like this. You can add your text or what you like to add. You can easily add here. So I'll just save this in some way. PNG. Here's the file. I will just drag and drop. I will delete this one and connect this one. Wow. This one is amazing. So from here, you can also change the roughness. And from the blender kit, you can add different kind of lighting. It's just right here free. So we'll get many lighting from here. So you can just add the free one. And you can see which one look good to you with your plotting. And just press the render button. And you just need to wait some time and your render will be ready. Wow, this one looked really good. So I will do another file with the print. So what I need to do, I need to off the pattern overlay. That's all. I will put this pin. What you like to do, you can add as like you want. I'll just add this here. And I'll pick a different color. There's take this one. And the stitch color a little bit dark, so this look good. So I just need to save this as like PNG again. Here's my file. I just need to do this one and connect with this one. Wow. I'll just change another light is there. Look which one come good with this one. And you will get this in Blender Kit. If you are not getting the Blender Kit, you can see any video. So you get help with the Blender Kit. We will get different kind of render result. We just need to hook the HDR light so you can see the result. Which one come good with your t-shirt? Just add this. I can take the basic one. That is really good for the all file. So I just give that one for you. So this one look good to me. I'll just see the render result how this come. Wow, this really look amazing. So this is a short video. How you can use the Blender with our design. This will be easy to use, so don't need to worry. See you in the next video.